Hello and welcome to Mind Your Excel. My name is Parth and in this video we are going to learn 4 text functions: len, left, right and mid. As an Excel user, you might come across situations when you need to manipulate some text or strings. These functions are very handy in such situations. So let's begin. The first function that we are going to learn is the len or the length function. This is perhaps the most straightforward of all the text function. It returns the number of characters in a text string. There is only one parameter, the text, for which we need to find the number of characters. Here I will give cell C2 of my sheet because that is where my text is. The result you see is 15 because Mind Your Excel has 15 characters. So yes, len function counts space as one of the characters. The next function that we are going to learn is the left function. It returns the specified number of characters from the start of a text string. It has two parameters. The first parameter is the string from which you need to extract the characters. However, as the second parameter is written inside square brackets, it is an optional parameter. So for now, let's see what happens if we ignore the second parameter. So here I will again give the cell reference C2, close brackets, press enter. The result it gives is M. This is because if ignored, the second parameter assumes the value 1. But I want the first 4 characters from my string. So I will give my second argument as 4 and press enter. So as expected, this gives us the first 4 characters of our string mind. So let's go to the next function. Right function is very similar to the left function. It returns the specified number of characters from the end of a string. It has the same two parameters, the text and the number of characters we need to extract from the right or from the end of the string. So here I will give the argument 5 and again we get the 5 characters from the end of our string. If you find this video useful, please click the red button at the bottom of the video to subscribe to our channel. Also click the bell icon to get notified on our new videos. The last function that we are going to learn is the mid function, which returns the characters from the middle of a text string given a starting position and length. This is slightly different from the left and right function. It has 3 parameters. The first parameter is again the string from which you need to extract the characters. The second parameter is the starting point of the characters you need to extract. And the third parameter is the number of characters from that starting point. So let's say I want to extract the word your from Mind Your Excel. The first parameter will again be the cell C2 where I have my string. The second parameter will be 6 because that is the starting point of the characters I want to extract. The third parameter will be 4 because your has 4 characters. Now let's see what exactly happened here. The mid function gave me 4 characters from the 6th character of my string. Now let's see what happens if I replace this 4 with an 8. It gives me the answer your space exc, that is 8 characters from the 6th character of my string. So these were the 4 basic text functions. These are very simple yet very effective when it comes to string manipulation. Thank you for watching this video. We would love to hear your feedback and answer your queries in the comment section.